Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, I have the brand new iPhone XS Max 64GB in gold. Today's date is September 21st, 2018. So it is release date on this iPhone XS Max. As you can see, here's the date, and I just got my phone at 10:15 in the morning. It wasn't actually supposed to be here until around 8 o'clock p.m., but it came early. So let's go ahead and take a look at the iPhone XS Max. So I do not have my case yet. It will come in the mail in a little bit, so I have to be really careful with this because I don't want to scratch it. Because this phone is $1,100. So on this phone we have the A12 chip, which is the fastest chip in the iPhones right now, as compared to the iPhone 8, which I had before. I actually did have the iPhone X, but it did break, so I did get the iPhone 8 as a replacement. So before it had the A11 chip, but now it has the A12's chip. So let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So I did get the 64GB gold model, so it has iPhone in gold on the side, Apple logo, iPhone in gold, the picture of the device, and the Apple logo on the top. On the back, I'm going to cover up my information, but it is the 64GB. It comes with all of this stuff, which we will get into that right now. Let's go ahead and pull off the tab. So lifting the lid of the iPhone XS Max for the first time, and we are greeted by paperwork like before. So we have Apple stickers, warranty information, a SIM injection tool, which is actually kind of weird to be included with the Verizon model, and then a Hello Quick Start guide, which I already know how to use the iPhone X because I did have the iPhone X before. So here's the phone itself. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and oh my god, this gold color is so amazing. I don't know, just look at it. If I can get this to focus. This gold on this thing is so cool. It is like amazing. And we do have the bigger speakers down here. So that's a new thing. Oop, hit the camera. So that's a new thing for this year. This is much heavier, but it actually feels nicer than the iPhone X. I'll put that on its box for now. We have the 5-watt power cube, which I don't know why my camera's not autofocusing, so sorry, I have to keep focusing it. 5-watt power adapter, headphones, but they do not include a dongle, it looks like this time, so we do not get the adapter with them, unless it's in here. Nope, we do not get the headphone adapter, so it looks like you gotta buy that separately if you don't have one already. We have a brand new lightning cable in the bottom, like always. So it is much bigger than the iPhone 8, which obviously it would be, because it is 6.5 inches of screen instead of 4.7 inches. So here's the phone itself. I'm going to leave the plastic on it because I do not want to damage it before my case gets here, because that would be horrible. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and stuff and set it up. So I will do that on camera, but in order to do that, I have to power down the old iPhone 8, just in case it messes up my activation. So let me read the instructions on how to activate this thing. I'm pretty sure it just turn it on. Yeah, just turn it on. So, here we go. Wow, that's much bigger screen, oh my god. So let me go ahead and put this plastic wrap down so I can set it on it. So that Apple logo is so much bigger than last time. Sorry, I'm really excited about this thing. I've been waiting a long time for this in the mail. Been waiting a week. Got up at 3 in the morning last week to pre-order it. Wow. This thing is huge! Let me zoom out. Focus. Swipe up from the bottom. And let's set it up. So this should be running iOS 12. I'll just set it up manually. I'll use my cellular connection. And I have to use Wi-Fi because my cellular won't be activated yet because I'm an idiot. I'm already used to the screen. I love big phones, so if you want this phone, I recommend it. If not, then just stick with the iPhone 8 or the iPhone X, which are discounted right now. So I will go. So while this is activating, let's take a look around it. So on the left side, I know this is hard to see, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the lighting in my room, it's kind of bad today. So on the left side, we do have the volume buttons and the mute switch. On the top, we have the camera earpiece and all that fun stuff. On the top, way top, we have nothing, but we do have new antenna bands, which are kind of weird because they didn't have these on the iPhone 10. And we have the power button, or the Siri button as they call it, the SIM card slot, which is actually an eSIM this year, so I don't know if Verizon supports that, but it should not have a SIM card in here actually. On the bottom we have the regular lightning cable port, speaker, microphone, and a new antenna band as well. So let me go ahead and set this up. Let me set up Face ID. I look like trash, so I'll set this up off camera. Okay, so Face ID is now set up. And I will go ahead and put my passcode on here. So Face ID and passcode are now set up. So I will set it up as a new iPhone, and I will set up my Apple ID off camera as well. So I do have the Apple Watch Series 4 coming in today as well. So if you want to stick around for that video, it should be up after this one. If it's not, then I don't know when it will be up. Okay, so my old iPhone is turning on. Well, this is actually my dad's iPhone if you remember watching my iPhone 8 unboxing. Sorry this is taking a long time. The codes aren't sending and stuff like that because I have two-factor authentication turned on. Okay, so it looks like it's not activating correctly, so I'm going to have to call Verizon. But for the most part, it's setting up right now. There we go. I'm going to customize the settings, keep your iPhone up to date. I'm going to do that. Enable location services. Okay, I do have Apple Pay, but I'm going to set it up later, just to save some time. I'm going to use Siri, use screen time, share with Apple, share with that, use that, choose that. Do I want zoomed or regular? Not regular. Go home, switch between recent apps, quickly access controls, swipe up and get started. Wow. Wowza. Here's my phone. Okay. So let me take it off the Wi-Fi and see if it's working yet. I doubt it is. Okay, it could not activate cellular data network for some reason. Let me go ahead and... Okay, that's Siri. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on and try to get this working as a phone because that would be great. Okay, so here's the Apple logo again. What a surprise. I don't know why this is giving me issues, but it's okay. All that matters is that I got the new iPhone. This gold is actually really cool. If you want to know specs about this, please watch someone else's videos. All I know is that it has a 12 megapixel camera right now. Okay, let me go ahead and get this figured out with Verizon, and I'll call you back. Okay guys, I'm finally back. Finally got off the phone with Verizon and finally got off the website. My iPhone is now activated, so I'm ready to go. So now that we got this done, let's go ahead and explore this iPhone XS Max. So let me make sure my website can load, and it can, so we're good. So I have nothing on this right now, but I kind of want to check out the photo app, because like it seems different. So we do have a better camera on this than the iPhone XS, just a slightly better one. It has the same megapixels and everything else. This iPhone did ship with iOS 12, 12.0, and yeah, so we will go ahead and finish setting up my iPhone later. So that's basically it for this unboxing video. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of my iPhone XS Max, and I love it so far, and it will be my phone for the next year until I upgrade again. So Face ID is quicker this year, and yeah. So if you want to see a comparison to the iPhone 8, from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone XS Max, I will tell you, right now this phone actually isn't that big in my hand, and I actually really enjoy the size. So I really enjoy the size on this iPhone XS Max. But I will not be using it completely until I get my case in, which will come in the mail in about 2 hours. So I will see you guys in the next video, which will be my Apple Watch Series 4 aluminum gold 40mm unboxing, which is also due to come in today. So it's supposed to be here by 4:30, but it might be in here earlier. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go ahead and record, edit, and upload this one, and I'll be back in a couple minutes with my Apple Watch Series 4. I'll see you guys later. Bye now.